Now this is how you do a picnic. No ham sandwiches for us. Let's have a picnic.
We're going to show you our cool little camp stove. We've used this on backpacking trips a bunch. We're going to show you today how to set it up. You need that and one of these little fuel tanks. It's pretty small. This is very lightweight. If you're going to go backpacking, this is the way to cook. And when we go backpacking, we decided a long time ago, we are going to not skimp on meals. So we've cooked a lot of really good meals on this little thing. It's worth the extra weight to us to carry the ingredients for really good meals.
Tonight, we're gonna do taco salad. We're gonna do a picnic here. We are on beautiful Lake Guntersville. It is a gorgeous setting, great place for a picnic, but we don't wanna do just like boring sandwiches. We wanna do a cooked, fun meal.
So that's it. You just take it, assemble it like this, screw this in, fold out the arms, make sure that valve is closed, and then you screw it into your gas bottle pretty quickly, so you seal it up. Now then, that is ready to cook.
We have used this thing for years. It's not even expensive either. It's like 20 bucks or something on Amazon.
And the gas is $5.
Yeah, the gas is like $5, and we have carried it on all sorts of adventures. And it's like right now we're not backcountry, but we want to do a cooked meal, so we're using it today too. Something about eating a warm meal, a cooked meal, while you're on a trail or in the backcountry or with a lake behind you, somehow it just makes it tastier.
So let's get started. So you light this thing just by twisting that little valve. Now we have a flame.
It is lit, even though you can't see it because it's bright outside, but it is lit. And it's a pretty big flame.
It says it will boil water in 2 minutes.
2.5 minutes boil water, which is pretty dang fast.
Faster than you'll do at home. It's already cooking.
Yeah, it's already bubbling up, and that was just a few seconds. Ooh, sizzle, sizzle.
Yeah.
I'll just put all that in.
When this meat and stuff gets ready, we'll add some corn and add the rice, and we just got a 1 skillet, so we're just gonna have to add to this skillet till we get it like we want.
It's all basically just heat up.
Probably gonna be too much. Hard to get too much seasoning though. She's pretty spicy.
Spicy. This is just pouch rice. All you gotta do is just heat it up. It's ready. It's 90-second cilantro rice. It's actually supposed to be cooked in the microwave, but it just needs to be heated up, and that's all. And this as well. These all just need heated.
I think you're ready to start pouring them in.
Yep. This is a quick dish. Rice. A little bite for Oakley. Some beans.
There's plenty of beans.
And some corn.
Don't put all that corn.
I'm not.
We got cooked. Those would be raw, right?
We can add some raw. We've cooked with this little just foldable stove for 5. The whole time we've done backcountry hiking and backpacking, when we have made meals, we've done it for 5 people. We have 3 boys. We even cooked for 3 when they were teenage boys. Sometimes we would have to do it in a couple of batches to get enough food for everybody. But just with this tiny little stove, I mean, there's a lot of stove options you can have. A lot of expensive ones, a lot that are really super nice. But this one it's just so compact and easy, and it's never failed us. So this is just still what we're using. After all these years, we're still using the $20 3-ounce foldable backcountry stove when we want to cook. It's just tried and true, and it's what we use.
While she's doing that, I'm going to get out the shells. because I think we're close to being ready to serve.
Yeah, I mean, we've only been here for like 5 minutes and we're already almost ready to eat. I will put a link for a backcountry stove for this so that you can grab you one. It's on Amazon. Can't beat it.
The little gas bottles you have to buy somewhere. They will not ship.
Yeah, but you can get them anywhere. You can pick them up at Walmart,
REI.
Yeah, any sort of backcountry store. Oh, it's hot. Dang, it is definitely hot. I just poked my finger in it.
You want two?
I think one's enough for me, actually. This is ready to serve. We put some cheese in our little bowls. We're gonna scoop some of this mixture into the shells.
Better.
And then we've got all kind of toppings that we can use too. We've got some salsa and some guacamole. We're gonna make kind of some layers, cheese and stuff. I think we're actually ready to turn this off. To turn it off, you just twist this little handle. You can hear the flame go off. It gets sealed so that gas can't leak anymore. It's off now and ready to pack up.
This is an important part of cooking with cheese.
Oakley loves to come on adventures with us, especially when she gets to have a snack. Gonna add some guacamole. Boom.
Don't put me none.
No guacamole
No
for
guac
that?
on mine.
Okay, I'll take
I like
yours.
guacamole, but not in this. I'd rather have it on the side.
And then I made some homemade crema at home. This vegan sour cream with onions, spices, some
Lime zest.
lime zest. You want some?
A little bit. Not as much as
I
you.
didn't mean to put quite so much.
Yeah.
Kind of plopped out.
Enjoy.
This is gonna be so good. That's having his first bite.
We typically also would have chopped some lettuce, but we're in that time frame where lettuce is giving people explosive diarrhea, so we decided to leave the lettuce out.
Yeah.
Don't eat it yet. It's really hot.
Well, that stove works then. Let me show you my first bite. Ooh. Now this is how you do a picnic. Mm-hmm. No ham sandwiches for us. Delicious. I'm gonna smush it. Mm. Oh, heck yeah, that's delicious. I feel like I'm having this picnic table so far away from the sea. I'm having to lean real far. Is it good?
Delicious.
This is a very good picnic meal.
Yeah.
I still say the view is what makes a meal sometimes.
Lake Guntersville State Park is not far from us, but Lake Guntersville here in North Alabama is one of the prettiest lakes in all of the Southeast.
We love to go camping there in our RV. Look at that view.
We really cooked this almost as fast as if we'd have bought something and unbagged it here. That thing cooks really quick.
We cook this faster than you can get fast food.
And it's better.
Yep. Hopefully he's enjoying her treat. I'm glad I didn't make two.
Yeah.
I couldn't have eaten two. This was a good meal for the little camp stove. I'm a fan. Cheers to a good picnic.
Salute.
The morning bells ain't ringing. I'm standing 10 feet tall.